I've been trolling Merwin Lake. This is my setup. 3 ounce, 100 feet of line. This one's 80, but I'm running everything at 100. And this is our catch for today. We've been out here for maybe an hour and a half. But we're gonna wrap her up, go to Chad fishing. So got a Kuma. Oops. And this guy. Moon jelly flasher with a micro hoochie. Now let's see, these are the fish. So this is a tape measure right here I have written for reference. So we'll just grab this guy, and that's 15 inches. So it's average, I would say 14-15 inches. So not too bad. Come on, stay up there. But yeah, that's how we do it. Got 4 rods. Beautiful day.